In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Facebook Dating. To start, you'll need to open the Facebook app on your device. Look for the familiar blue icon with a white F and tap it to launch the app. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by your newsfeed, filled with updates from friends and pages you follow. This is where your social connections come to life. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Opening the app is essential as it sets the stage for all the actions we will take next, leading to a better dating experience. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon. It is represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. This icon is typically found in the bottom right corner on iOS devices or the top right corner on Android. When you tap on this menu icon, a list of options will slide out, giving you access to different features of Facebook. This step is crucial because it directs you to the various functionalities within Facebook, allowing you to navigate towards your dating preferences seamlessly. Next, tap on Dating. This option will be visible among the other features listed in the menu. If you have never used Facebook Dating before, you may need to set it up first. Once tapped, you will enter the Facebook Dating section, where you can start connecting with potential matches. This is an important step because it takes you directly to the area of the app where all your dating activities take place, helping you focus on finding new connections. Now, look for the profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of the dating page. This icon usually resembles a silhouette of a person. Tapping on this icon will bring you to your dating profile where you can view and edit your personal information. This is significant because your profile is your first impression on potential matches. It's essential to ensure it accurately represents you, making it easier for people to connect with you. From your profile, tap on Dating Preferences. This option allows you to customize various elements of your dating experience. You will find settings related to your preferences for matches, including age range, distance, and more. Adjusting these settings can greatly enhance your dating experience as they help the app understand what you are looking for in a match. This is an invaluable step that ensures your preferences are aligned with your dating goals. The next action is to tap on Dating Location. This is where you can manage your location settings. Since Facebook Dating automatically sets your dating location based on your device's GPS, this step is crucial for ensuring that your dating pool reflects the area you want to connect with. By reviewing this setting, you can confirm that you are reaching out to people in your desired location, which is especially important when considering distance in potential matches. Finally, tap on Update to refresh your location. This action prompts Facebook to use your current location based on your device's location services. If you are in a different area or traveling, this step will help ensure you see matches that are relevant to your current surroundings. This makes sure your settings are current and that your experience on Facebook Dating is as effective as possible. With that done, you will have successfully updated your dating location. This is essential because it ensures that you are connecting with potential matches who are nearby, increasing your chances of meaningful interactions. Remember, Facebook Dating uses your current location to enhance your experience, so stay mindful of where you are for the best results.